Hi friends, welcome to Predict the Unpredictable, where I discuss important themes which have very high probability to come in the prelims examination. Guys, last year from this series, lot of questions directly came in the prelims examination because this is the only series where we link the PYQs with the current affairs. Guys, once you understand how to do PYQ analysis and then you can link the PYQs to current affairs, you can identify which topics are probable in this year's prelims examination. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic. I have a firm belief that very high chances the question is going to come from this topic. Okay, so what is the news, guys? Recently Prime Minister in his Man Ki Baat, which he does on Sunday, talked about Indian coffee, how Indian coffee is basically capturing the global imagination. Okay, lot of exports of coffee is taking place, and he talked about various varieties of Indian coffee and particularly some of the regions of coffee growing in India. You can see here Chikmagalur, Coorg and Hassan in Karnataka, then Pulni, Shiraroy, Nilgiri and Annamalai in Tamil Nadu, and Wayanad, Travancore and Malabar in Kerala. Also guys, there are some attempt of growing the coffee in the northeast, and also he talked about Koraput coffee. Okay, so this makes this topic very important. But what kind of questions we can expect from this? So guys, you can see this PYQ which has come recently in the prelims examination on tea producing states. Which are the major tea producing states? Okay, so a similar question we can expect. Okay, a similar question we can expect for coffee. Okay, major coffee producing states. Okay, so we have Karnataka, we have Kerala, and we have Tamil Nadu. These are the three states which are major. Okay, there are minor also, like for example in Odisha also some places like Koraput we are growing coffee, but the major is Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Okay, next, what kind of questions we can expect? Okay, so again from a PYQ which came in 2010, you can see here they have asked the growing condition and the difference between coffee and tea. You can see here coffee and tea, they have discussed the growing condition. What is the difference? You can see here coffee is grown in hot and humid climate of tropical areas, whereas tea is grown in cultivated in both tropical and subtropical areas. This is correct, guys. Second statement, coffee is propagated by seeds but tea is propagated by stem cutting only. Okay, this is incorrect. Okay, so the answer is one only. So you can see how UPSC is asking questions on coffee geographical area and also coffee conditions. Okay, what are the geographical conditions? So guys, you can see here coffee is basically grown in hot and humid climate with a temperature ranging 15 to 28 degrees Celsius and rainfall 150 to 250 centimeter. Frost, snowfall and high temperature above 30 is not good for coffee. Okay, is not good for coffee. Dry weather is necessary at the time of ripening. Stagnant water is harmful. Okay, so generally hill slopes. Okay, and also guys, well drained loamy soil is important for coffee cultivation. Guys, here you should know blossom sour. Blossom sours are pre-monsoon sour which are used for coffee cultivation. This is very important. Okay, so guys, you can see how UPSC can frame question on this topic. Already UPSC has asked question on tea growing states. So coffee growing states they can ask you, or they can ask you about the geographical condition of coffee cultivation. How you see I have used these two PYQs to predict what kind of questions you can expect in future. Guys, like this, every day I am predicting around 10 questions for the UPSC prelims examination where I am linking the PYQs with the current affairs. You can start solving these questions. Do not wait till the end of the year, guys. Most of the students start solving questions only at the end of the year and they lose every year. They fail to crack prelims every year because they have the knowledge but they are not able to replicate the knowledge in the question paper. Why? Because they lack practice. So start practicing early. Also guys, in coffee you should know that India is a very important exporter of coffee also. You know guys, India has the 7th rank in total coffee production. 7th rank, and 8th rank in export. 8th rank in coffee export. Also guys, they may sometimes ask you which is the native country of coffee. So answer is Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a native country of coffee. So this can be also a probable question. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.